Gotta get that boom, boom, boom. 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 That boom, boom, boom. That boom, boom, boom. I'm on that supersonic boom.
Hello, this is Raven Reviews 125 here with my first ever Lego Change Machine. So here's a 360 view. Small, portable and nearly silent. So yep. Here, quick ejection. So Penny goes in the slot, comes back out the bottom, and there's another demonstration. 5p into there, comes out the bottom, and again goes out the bottom. 20p, same again, yes, comes out the bottom. And you can't actually cheat this. If you try to flick it in too hard, it just, I'm sure if it will this time, but yeah, I don't know, but it'll just come out through the gap. Comes out the best. Pound, same again, comes out the bottom. 2p, won't fit. So yeah, it's Change Machine. It takes 10p because I get to keep some of a profit. So we put it in, it fits. So put it in. You can see it here in this hole. So put your finger in, and this is really easy because you just lift, twist, and push. And then as you push, the tray comes out, and so you just pull it, and you hear the money drop. Push it back in, and here you got your money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8p. 20% of the profit is capped. So you get your key, and this isn't like an ordinary key because it's not exactly the kind of thing. It's kind of like a plus shaped. Well, this is just the normal circle, so you've got really force on the side. Just drag it out. You will just drop there, or normally, more often than not, it stays in there. So yeah, there's enough for 2 rounds. If I can get this back in, it's really tight. Okay. Yep, same again. Into there. Cool. There it is. Drag it out. There's the rest of your money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, yep. Here's some reloading. It's kind of secret. So you take this green bit, lift it up, green bit, lift it up, brown, lift. This is no brown type there, stops 2p going in. Once if it falls and it's not on there, I know someone's been at it. And you can just take this bit out. And you can just replace this bit afterwards. Just don't need it. Because I can find a simpler way, but that's what I find easier. So yep. There it is, all set for relocation. So if I just move over here, just take your money, just plonk it in. And piles as well. Yep. So, and that's from right to the brim. So that's the reloading. Just put the roof back on. And you're done. credits to Astonishing Studios. And please comment, rate and subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed my Lego Change Machine. Thank you.